In this video, we will review the i10x AI and see if it's worth the trouble. So I have in here this blog that should be able to see and review the i10x. As you can see, i10x is an easy-to-use online platform that gives you access to over hundreds of specialized AI apps like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity with just one subscription. So instead of paying different subscription based on this, you can get access to all of these models in just one subscription. So it's good for small businesses on a budget that requires comprehensive AI work suite. So you can see right here how it looks like. You can discover agents available. You can use these different agents that we have right here. So as you can see, special features of i10x is its agent builder. This features allows users to create their own custom agents with specific prompts that they always follow. Here are some pros. It's a great idea. It's an all-in-one tool. However, it doesn't have specialized tools like keyword finders and the likes. So it's a really good tool, but there's still some room for improvement. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.